Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the series of number system, today we will learn about the octal number system, right? So the base of an octal number system is given by 8. So it can be represented from 0 to 7. If base is R, so the number system can be represented from R minus 1. Okay, so let's say base is 8, so it can be represented from 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. Okay, so the octal number system can be represented from 0 to 7 since the base of this octal number system is 8, right? So now consider one octal number. So let us say this is the octal number of power of base 8, power of base 8. So for this octal number, this is the integer part, right? And this is the fractional part, right? So the successive position to the left of the decimal, this is the left of the decimal and this is the right of the decimal. So left of the decimal is a to the power 0, so this is a to the power 0, then a to the power 1, a to the power 2, a to the power 3, and successive position to the right of the decimal is given by, this is 2, which goes to the a to the power minus 1, a to the power minus 2, and so on. Power of base 8, right? So now we will see how octal number system representation, right? How octal number system can be represented, right? So this is MSB of octal number system and this is the LSB of octal number system. So for multiplier, this is called base or multiplier, right? So let us say a to the power 0 can be represented by 1, a to the power 1 can be represented by 8, a to the power 2 can be represented by 64, a to the power 3 can be represented by 512, and 8 to the power 4 can be represented by 4096 or 4k, and then 8 to the power 5 can be represented by 32k, 8 to the power 6 can be represented by 262k, 8 to the power 7 can be represented by 2 million, and 8 to the power 8 can be represented by 16 million. So we will understand later the role of this part, right? 1 8 64 512 4k 32k 262k 2 million and 60 million. What is the role of these value, right? So this is the integer part, and if you look the fractional part, so it can be represented a to the power 1. The value for a to the power 1 is 0.125, and the value for a to the power 2 is 0.015265, and you may calculate the further values and fill out this table, right? And fill out this table. Okay, so you can see the octal number system. This is decimal number system, this is 3-bit binary number, and this is octal number system, right? So the decimal number 0 can be represented in the binary is 000 and in the octal 0, right? Then for 1 0 0 1 and 1, and then likewise you can see for 7 it is 111, and here in the octal numbers system it can be represented by 7. For 8 it is 0010000, and in the octal number system it can be represented by 10, right? 10. For 9 In the 3-bit binary number, it can be represented by 001 001, but in octal it is 11, right? 11, that is 11. So that is how you can see a relation between decimal number system, 3-bit binary number system, and octal number system, right? So let us consider one example here, and now we will calculate the equivalent decimal number system, right? So the integer part for this octal number is 457, right? So that is 754, and the bit for this 754 is for 7 a to the power 0, for 5 a to the power 1, for 4 a to the power 2, right? This is also called multiplier, right? This is also called multiplier. For fractional part 0.23, you can find the bit for 0 is a to the power minus 1, and weight for 3 is a to the power minus 2, right? So if you solve it mathematically, you can find 4 into a to the power 2 plus 5 into a to the power 1 plus 7 into a to the power 0 plus 2 into a to the power minus 1 plus 2 into a to the power minus 2, right? So if you solve this, this is 256, this is 40, this is 7, 0.25, and this, if you further solve it, you can find this is 303.28125 in the decimal. Okay, so this is the decimal equivalent to this octal number system. So this is also, can here we can say the base for this octal number system is 8. So this both are equal. You can represent in the octal number system by 457.23, but in decimal it is 303.28. So hope you understand the concept for octal number system. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.